talk about the order of operations. Here we go. Order of operations simply means that when we are faced with a question that has more than one type of operation, there is a particular order in which we must solve the problem. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You may have seen some acronyms before, such as PEDMAS, GEMS. These are just handy little tricks to help remind us what order we need to do things in. So the P for parentheses or G for grouping, they both mean that that is a type of thing you need to do first. If you see operations that are written inside brackets, you must do it first. Okay, so brackets, parentheses, groupings, that means do this first. Exponents, we will get to exponents in a later video when we're doing some more complicated operations. For now, you won't have to worry about it. Next, we come to division and multiplication, or multiplication and division. It doesn't matter. You have to do whatever comes first when you're going from left to right in a question. And then finally, we have addition and subtraction. Subtraction and addition, doesn't matter. You just have to do whatever comes first in the question going from left to right. So it's almost like certain operations have more power than others. Multiplication and division are more powerful, so we have to do them first. Addition and subtraction are less powerful, so we do them last. The only way that I could possibly change the order of the operations and make, say, an addition happen before a multiplication is if I were to put a less powerful operation in brackets, or parentheses if you want to use the fancy word. So brackets mean do this first. Otherwise, we do the most powerful operations first, going from left to right, and then we do the least powerful operations last, going from left to right. Let's try some examples. Here we have 4 plus 3 times 5 minus 1. Let's just remember that multiplication and division are the most powerful, so we'd have to do them first. And then addition and subtraction are the least powerful, so we would have to do them last. So looking at this, I see that I have a multiplication here, so I have to do that first. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now when you get really good at this, you'll be able to do questions like this in your head, but for now I'll write down the steps. That leaves us with 4 plus 15 minus 1. Now I only have addition and subtraction, which are equally not powerful, but I'll do them last, and I must go from left to right. 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. So 18 is my final answer here. Let's look at the same numbers and operations, but here I am adding a set of brackets in. So brackets, remember, change the order of the operations. So here, even though I have multiplication, the brackets say do this first. So in this situation, I must add the 4 and the 3 to get 7 first. Then I will multiply by 5, and then I will subtract 1. So 7 times 5 is 35, minus 1 is 34. Let's see how brackets can really change it again. So again, I have the same numbers, I have the same operations, but I have placed a set of brackets around the last two numbers this time. So I have to do my subtraction first. 5 minus 1 is 4, and that leaves me with this. I have an addition and a multiplication. I have to multiply first because it's more powerful. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Let's look at one more situation. Same numbers, same operations. This time I have 3 numbers within my brackets. So the brackets say do this first. Within these brackets, I have a choice. I have a multiplication and I have a subtraction. I have to do the most powerful operation first, which is my multiplication. So 3 times 5 is 15, but this is still in brackets. So I'll have to finish the brackets first. 15 minus 1 is 14, plus 4 is 18. So you can see, even with all the same 4 numbers and the same 3 operations, I can get 4 different answers. Well, actually, these are both still 18. I can get multiple different answers based on the order I do the operations in. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video, try these questions, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, I have subtraction, division, and addition. Division is the most powerful operation here. There are no brackets, so I will do 12 divided by 2 first, which gives me 6. 18 minus 6 plus 4. 18 minus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Here, same numbers and operations as the first question, but I've got a set of brackets now. I must do this first. 18 minus 12 is 6. Divided by 2, and then plus 4. So now I'll have to do by division. 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 4, 7. Over here I've got 3 numbers in the brackets, and so within these brackets I'll have to do the most powerful operation first, which is multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. The addition to 2 is still in the brackets, so I have to do that before I multiply, because what's in the brackets must be done first. 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 times 5, I'm going to think 10 times 7 using my double half strategy, and I will get 70. Okay, same numbers and operations as above, but this time the brackets have been removed. So I'm going to multiply first from left to right. So I've got 5 times 2 is 10. Now I have to multiply these numbers first, which gives me 12. 12 plus 10 is 22.